Hello guys, today we are going to talk about the one-line diagram of power system. The main three components of the power system are generation, transmission and distribution of electrical energy. So in the one-line diagram we have to show the three main components of power system with other minor components too. So as I have told already that GTD, generation, transmission and distribution, first of all the power is generated. Let's say it is electrical energy. The power is electrical energy. So from the generator we have three generators that are generating electrical energy, and the voltage of, let's say, we will talk about later. The generating voltage is normally not so high voltage as we have here 132 to 22 kV. Using a transformer we will step off the voltage, and we will talk about the reason why we need to step off the transformer. We need to use a step up transformer while increasing, and why we need to increase the voltage from the power station. So this is a transmission and this is a transmission. So these two are the transmission component, and the last one is distribution. While transmitting we have to have a certain level of voltage. Normally we have sometime 400 to 20 and 132 kV kilovolt of voltage in the conductor while transmitting. So sometimes we may need to distribute the large voltage even if it is in the transmission level of 400 kV, 200 kV or 132 kV. So for the large consumers we have a separate line, and for other grid, like we can say the transmission system of an area or state is known as grid. So the different grids are interconnected through lines to form a regional grid, and different regional grids are further interconnected to form a national grid. So for the tie grid, so this is tie. For the tie lines of grid we have a separate line, and after that if we need to decrease the voltage for the substations, which will carry a kilovolt of 66, which is also the part of transmission line, and after that we can also distribute for the large consumers from the substations of transmission line. And next the main purpose of these all is for distribution. So for the distribution we have also the two types of distributions, and the distributions are varies from its voltage level also. So for the primary distribution it will carry a kilovolt of 33 and 11, and the for secondary distribution it's converted into 400, and which we use for like the end consumers. So it varies from 400 to 230 volt. So it depends upon the countries where they have a standard voltage for the household purposes. So it depends upon the countries, but main practices that we use are same in all countries. So this is a line diagram. This is just a introduction for all. If you have any questions, please comment below, and I will further make some videos related to our power system soon. Thank you.